Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need 2 controllers and 2 signed-in accounts. Once ready, launch Fortnite with your main account and reach the lobby. Make sure the second controller is powered and connected. Once the lobby loads, invite the second player to press the appropriate button shown on screen to join. Do this quickly so the UI registers the second input. This prepares the game to enter split-screen mode and avoids delays caused by matchmaking or controller reconnection. Once the second player presses join, confirm their account selection and accept any prompts. Next, pick duos or squads because solo modes won't enable split screen. This is why mode choice matters. After selecting the mode, make sure both profiles appear in the lobby and that each controller corresponds to the right player. If you use a party invite, accept it on the second account. Once both avatars are visible, the game will prepare split-screen layout and matchmaking can proceed. Start matchmaking and the session will load into split screen. You'll see the screen divide automatically when the match begins. If split screen doesn't initialize, quit to lobby, reconnect, or swap controllers, then have the second player rejoin. Common fixes include re-signing the second account or restarting Fortnite. Also, make sure you selected a supported game mode. If performance is choppy, lower visual settings or use a wired connection to reduce latency, and keep both players in.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.